Hello Algebra 2 students, I am Mr. Panning, SLC team leader for the math department here at Homestead High School. We are approaching the time in the school year when students will be meeting with their guidance counselor to make schedules for next school year. The purpose of this video is to help you make an informed decision about mathematics class options for next year and subsequent years. The class you will take next year is going to be determined by three factors. First, your goals and aspirations for your future career and college options. Second, your past success in Algebra 1, Geometry, and Algebra 2. And finally, your willingness, motivation, and perseverance to do what it takes to find success in upcoming math classes.
The first option for students coming out of Algebra 2 or Honors Algebra 2 is to take Honors Precalculus and Trigonometry. This course is the natural progression for students currently in Honors Algebra 2. However, it can be taken by students who are currently enrolled in regular Algebra 2 if those students get a recommendation from their current Algebra 2 teacher. This course is the natural bridge between Algebra 2 and AP Calculus AB. Students in Honors Pre-Calc Trig have the option to earn college credits by taking both courses, Precalculus and Trigonometry, as dual credit options through Ivy Tech. Students taking Honors Precalculus and Trigonometry should expect to experience a rigorous curriculum with connections from Algebra 2 to higher level math topics and courses. They should have a desire to learn. It would be helpful if these students had a desire to pursue or at least an open mind to careers that involve mathematics like engineering, architecture, and computer programming. They should have experienced success in Algebra 2 as well as Algebra 1 and Geometry. My suggestion for Honors Algebra 2 students would be to move into Honors Pre-Calc Trig only if they have an A or B in Honors Algebra 2. If you are a regular Algebra 2 student, you should probably have at least an A or better and get a recommendation from your teacher. Students should be motivated to persevere when problems get difficult and require deeper thought. The second option for students coming out of Algebra 2 or Honors Algebra 2 is to take regular Precalculus and Trigonometry. This course is the natural progression for students currently enrolled in regular Algebra 2. It can also be taken by students currently enrolled in Honors Algebra 2, but have struggled to keep up with the rigor and pace of an honors math class. This course serves as the bridge between regular Algebra 2 and Honors Calculus. Like Honors Pre-Calc Trig students taking regular Pre-Calc Trig also have the option to take it as a dual credit option, earning 3 credits for Precalculus and 3 credits for Trigonometry. Students in Pre-Calc Trig or Honors Pre-Calc Trig also have the option to take finite mathematics while they are also enrolled in Pre-Calc Trig. Honors Calculus the following year may not be at the level of rigor of AP Calculus, but it is offered as a course for college credit. Students taking regular Precalculus and Trigonometry should expect to be challenged by a curriculum that fully prepares you for calculus. Students should have a desire to learn and grow as a mathematician. Students should have a desire to attend college and have options about what those colleges might be. Students at the regular Precalculus Trig level should have experienced success in Algebra 2 with a grade of at least a C or better. And they should be motivated to succeed in a higher level math class. The third option for students coming out of Algebra 2 is to take Probability and Statistics. This option is only available for students who are currently juniors in Algebra 2 who are planning for their senior year. This course is 1 semester and could be taken in either the fall or the spring semester. It is important to know that several colleges and universities require either Precalculus or Trigonometry for admission. This is true for Indiana University in Bloomington. If you want to attend IU Bloomington, you should not choose to take Probability and Statistics because you will not be accepted at IU. Purdue and Lafayette requires that you take 2 semesters beyond Algebra 2 in order to be admitted, or at least have the option to be admitted. This means that you could take Precalculus first semester and Probability and Statistics second semester and still be admitted into Purdue University. Some majors at Purdue will require you to have Precalculus or Trigonometry in high school. It is important to talk to your counselor about if and where you want to go to college before you decide on what math class to take next year. If you take pre-calc first semester and do not pass, you do have the option to take probability and statistics second semester. Doing so would provide you with the opportunity to pass pre-calculus and keep options open for college. Students taking probability and statistics should look forward to studying how probability and statistics apply to everyday life. Students in probability and statistics are most likely those that have struggled in Algebra 2. And students in probability and statistics should have a desire to keep college options open, but understand that by not taking pre-calculus, some of those college choices will be limited. Students also have options to take finite mathematics as well as AP statistics after successfully completing Algebra 2. Finite can be taken by any student who is either currently taking Pre-Calc Trig or who has successfully completed Pre-Calc Trig. You cannot take finite mathematics right after Algebra 2 unless you plan on taking Pre-Calc Trig at the same time. AP Stats can be taken at any time during your 4 years in high school as long as you have successfully completed Algebra 2.
My suggestion to all of you is to talk to your current Algebra 2 teacher about your ability in mathematics. Use that conversation along with your goals and aspirations for college and your career. Know your past success in mathematics and honestly look at your motivation and determination in order to decide what math class to take next year. Have a conversation with your counselor as well and make a decision that will help you be who you want to be in the future. Thank you for your attention today.